Are you drowning in manual spreadsheets while competitors outmaneuver you? Our pack slams the door on fragmented data with AI powered competitor benchmarking using natural language processing, real time pricing analytics via dynamic web scraping, market positioning heat maps built with geospatial clustering, and trend prediction algorithms trained on 10 plus years of SEC filings. Strategy analysts, competitive intelligence managers, product strategists, and market researchers. This isn't just a tool, it's your new superpower. Let's stop guessing and start knowing. Here's what's inside the competitive research pack: automated competitor data scraping with entity recognition, real time pricing analytics using time series forecasting models, market positioning heat maps generated through multidimensional scaling, trend prediction powered by transformer based sequence analysis. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just automation. It's like giving your strategy team a time machine with a built in crystal ball. Installing the competitive research pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add competitive research pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow: data ingestion pipelines, ML powered analysis modules, and interactive dashboard templates. Your next Claude Code session automatically detects the pack, while your AI assistant gains supercharged capabilities: price elasticity modeling, feature gap analysis, and competitive threat scoring. It even works while your spreadsheet formula is still loading,